I'll wait for advert enja ezothi DA seyafana ne-ANC, because their interest is only blue lights and power, not South Africans. Honorable Matafa stands up, speaks here and says, and misleads the parliament and says, it was for the first time after the Zondo issue that South African SARS collected over trillions. It was Obabu Tom Moyane who collected 1 trillion for the first time. ANC prides itself with the Zondo thing, which we spend $1 billion on it, for no ROIs, no return of investment. You can't be excited of frozen assets. Assets are frozen while the case is still pending. Once that person wins that case, those things come back. Where is that excitement? Chair, sitting here in Parliament, we are an ad hoc ourselves, the most cost-effective ad hoc. We don't require more money to be spent on us to attend this matter. General Mkhwanazi goes to the public and complains to the public about South African matters that he can't get assistance by the national parliament on it, including the president there. He goes to the public that voted for us and speaks to the public with mphakathi nayo inkinga esibhekane nayo. Now umphakathi uyamuzwa Mkhwanazi ukuthi uyakhuluma and ukhuluma into ezibalekile ezibuhlungu. Umphakathi is asking themselves ukuthi we voted for public representatives, which is us. Umphakathi is waiting for public representative that Mkhwanazi complained on ukuthi they must be represented as they voted for public representatives, which is us. The president takes the podium and indirectly tells South Africans, South Africans, for you to trust SAPS, please wait 6 months or 12 months or many years. We are going to have e-commissioners ezodila nale ndawo. When this matter takes long, this is what we lose. Trust yabantu base South Africa on South African police. This matter already tells South African ukuthi amaphoyisa ase South Africa, we can't trust them. So I can say this, Chair, with pride. As I called myself a comrade to Comrade Umanyi Magakuluma, some of the matters he touched, he covered me. I can proudly call myself his comrade and call him my comrade, because that means, the word comrade means I know this person, I trust this person, I can go with this person to war. I believe that this person would never sell me. Now, DA, ANC, they want an ad hoc committee. What is that different from the saying Yagababu Mkhulu when he says, I don't know Brown, and later comes and says, this is my comrade? Go Google what's the meaning of comrade. Chair, today, let me quote something. Thursday, I write on our group, the police group, the committee. I say, Chair, please, this time around, do not protect your people. There's no reasons needed for us to call an urgent meeting on this matter. As we deliberate, that group is closed. Only admins can speak on that group. That's number one. Number two, when there was a request for CR17 files to be opened, the same thing happened. There was leakers that closed those CR17 dockets. Number three, we continue to design this nice thing called ad hoc, which is very, very costly. What are we here for as members of parliament? Are we here to collect salaries and defer to other people? Is that what we are here for? We are lawmakers. Therefore, umthetho uqala la ugcina la. That's why as Umkhonto weSizwe we always say this Roman Dutch law is an apartheid designed to cover a lot of things. This thing is in Isindebele. Ubaba Mkhwanazi has taken this thing emphakathini. And this matter should be discussed as such in public, not hidden. Why must we take so much money and give it to abanye abantu when we can do the job here? I ask, Chair. Aniyeke lento yenu. Aniyeke nje lento yenu. Abantu base South Africa now are in serious trouble. Sila, I may be saying something ezongifaka inkinga, but sila ukuthi South Africa iye kulweni. Kuzoliwa South Africa. Sila, if we don't develop trust ebantwini again, sisenkingeni. And this is the only chance we have, Chair. This is the only chance we have. The only reputation Mr. Ramaphosa has is the reputation of commissions and no deliverables. MK cannot be part of the parliament that does not deliver. That one cannot happen, Chair. Not Spiller, Chair. Asina msebenzi ne blue light. DA can cover ANC and their corruption because they are afraid to bazoluza ama blue lights. They can do that. It's true, DA Safari. DA now has interest. They have something to lose. They have seats to lose if they stand with South Africans. They have blue lights to lose if they stand with Mkhwanazi. So we can't be doing that now, Tina. What we want is a better South Africa that has authority esebenzayo. So I ask the Chair, as we are going to close this matter, can it not be ukuthi base nivale as if we said we want the outcome? Tina, we want us to deal with this matter. And urgently, Chair. Because if we don't deal with this thing urgently, what are we saying to South African next week? Can they trust our police? We've got women who are being raped. We've got women who are being subjected to shy or matter and all those things. We are going to tell our people where there is money, police won't be effective.
Point of order.
I think we're busy with grandstanding here.